So how to transfer file to iPhone, your pen drive, it's a video or photo any. So this is my type C and type C port, and if you have any lighting port or suppose USB or hard drive, then you can use the converter like that. So this is my type C, so I am inserting my pen drive, and then you can go your file and press on browse, again press on browse, then you can see the pen drive option. That's it. So now I am sending a video to my, suppose I want to send this video. Select on and then press on this icon and scroll down, and then you can see the save to file. You have to press on save to file and then press on go back, and then you can see the your pen drive option. You have to press on pen drive and suppose press on test, press on save, and my video already gone. Let's check. Go to my pen drive, test, and this is the video. So this is how you can easily transfer a video to your iPhone to your pen drive. So hope video helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Do subscribe and feel free to ask any question in my comment section below. Have a good day.